Hello out there, YouTube friends. I'm Cindy and this is Sincerely Cindy Settle. Today is a Stitch Fix day. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, I will have a description down below and I will have a referral link so that if you have not tried Stitch Fix before, you can try it with a $25 credit. Sometimes that credit is $50 depending on when you click on the referral link versus when I have checked out of my most recent fix. So be sure to check that out. There is a $20 styling fee unless you have the Style Pass. The Style Pass is $50 a year, and I believe that that is customer specific. I remember getting an email after I had been with Stitch Fix for about a year, and they just sent me an email asking me if I was interested in the Style Pass, and I said yes please, and it just renews every year, and that $50 goes towards anything I wish to keep in my box. If you keep all 5 items, you do get a, I believe it's a 25% off discount, something like that. So let's dig right into my fix. In your box you will have a return envelope to put anything that you do not wish to keep. You will have an envelope that will have your invoice, which we will look at a little bit later, but your invoice will be in there. I will go over the prices when I do the wrap up, as well as the prices whenever you see the items during the try on. And then you have style cards, which give you some ideas on how to style your items. And you have a style note, which I will read really quickly. Hi there, Cindy. Welcome back for Fix 37 and another fix together. It looks like you are gearing up for a romantic and darling holiday look with all of those pieces you snagged from part 1 of your preview. I love that you wanted to try those pants instead of one of the jumpsuits that you originally requested. Isn't it fun when we see something unexpected? That is my favorite part of working for Stitch Fix. I think you will be able to come up with so many outfit combinations with your new pants and tops. I love that off-the-shoulder piece. I didn't even know we have that in inventory until I sent it to you and I went ahead and ordered one for myself. Have such a great month and let me know what I can snag for you in 2023. Cheers and happy holidays, Savannah. So, I did request, you know, I do like jumpsuits. I think they're comfortable and they're flattering. So I did request, you know, I don't know. I've been kind of disappointed lately in many of my boxes. So I'm trying to give them descriptions of some things that are kind of outside of the box that I would like to see in my box. So here we go. Uh-oh, most of my items fell out of my little bundle. There's only 2 items in there, 2 of them fell out. So let's take a quick look-see. So these are the pants I was referring to, or she was referring to. So, I'm not 100% sure about them. They are outside the box for me for sure. They are a black and white check look to them. They do have like a very faint shimmer, silver type of shimmer. They are like a, I want to say they're going to be like a legging or jegging type of fit. So they are going to be more of a slim fit. So we'll see how those go, but I thought the print was a lot of fun. Here we have the green sweater she was referring to. This is an off-the-shoulder sweater. It is very cozy feeling. I wasn't expecting it to feel this cozy. I'll tell you, the preview can be kind of deceiving. I wasn't expecting it to be this material. So it is just a green, hunter green type of sweater. It is off the shoulder. It is, I mean, that would be a lot of fun this time of year and not too overly dressy. So I like that. Here we have another green top. I thought this was nice for work. It is just a V-neck. It has a very cute little ruched sleeve there that gives it a little bit of interest. So I thought that was a lot of fun and I actually chose all 5 items from the preview this time. And then we have this pretty red. So if you guys saw my Stitch Fix before last, maybe, or maybe it was my last Stitch Fix. I'll find it and I will link it up above. I did have a really pretty red sweater that everybody said that I should keep and I didn't. And I sent it back and now it's not in stock. So They sent me this really cute red top. I thought this was fun and interesting, a little edgy. It does have a cutout there and it's fitted at the waist. So I like this because it's different. So I'm kind of excited about that. I hope it's as flattering as what I hope it to be. And then we have a pair of booties. So again, in one of my Stitch Fix, might have been the last one, might have been before last. I don't know. It depends on when it gets aired and when I get it uploaded. But I think it's probably going to be the last one. And then my red sweater is going to be the one before that. So I will link both of them up above somewhere. I was looking for a pair of Chelsea type of boots that were in a nude color. And I got a pair of wedges that weren't really what I was looking for. This is more of what I was looking for. This is more of a Sorel, is that the brand? Sorel Chelsea type of boot. It does have a little bit of a lift there. It laces in the front and does have a fur trim there. So I wasn't necessarily looking for the fur trim or the lace. I wanted more of just the boot with like a more of a knitting type there. So we'll try these on. These might be very good for those bad weather days. So I will get to trying some stuff on. Okay, so here we are with outfit number 1. So the shirt is very, very lightweight. It does have a very flattering V-neck there that's very modest. It doesn't come down too far. The sleeves are a cute little puff sleeve. Like I said, it is very lightweight, but it's not, it would be great with like a blazer over top of it or a cardigan, or even, I mean, like this. You would get a lot of wear out of it throughout the year, even in the fall. It's not too big. It could be easily worn out as well. I don't know, girls, I kind of like this. I like this collar. I don't have much in this collar in my closet. And I do like it with these pants. So let's talk about the pants. So I'm surprised. They are a pull-on. They do have a very good fit. They are like a legging type of material, but there is a lot of space in them, but they don't look baggy by any means. I am a little bit worried about the calf area. So I have a larger calf, and sometimes these type of pants, especially jeggings and things like that, will have a tendency to ride up when I walk in them because the calf is too tight. So I'm a little bit concerned about that, especially on this right leg. So I'm going to pan down so that you can see what the leg looks like. So there you can see they are a very slim fit type of style. They are hitting right at the ankle. So I mean, you could really wear booties, heels, flats would be cute with these as well. Again, my only concern is this calf area here that feels like it might ride up just a little bit. So I might have to wear these around just a little bit to see what my thoughts are. But it is, like I said, everything has a lot of movement. They're very comfortable. So let me know what you guys think. I'm excited about these. Okay, I've got some more shirts. I'm going to keep these pants on. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with shirt number 2. So again, very good option. It's really cute and it's very comfortable. I like the off the shoulder, gives a little bit of interest, a little bit of sexiness to it. It's not overly big. It's a good fit. I feel like it covers all the lumps and bumps really well. Now, I wouldn't wear this to work, but it would be great for a date night or a night out with my friends. Not that I do that very often, but, you know, book club, we do have outings every now and then. So it would be fun to wear to that too. And I don't feel like it's only limited to Christmas. So let me know what you guys think. Cute, right? I think it looks cute with these pants. It would look cute with black or with jeans even, like a dark wash jean or light wash jean. I don't know. Okay, I'll be right back. We have one more item and the boots. All right, so here we have the red top. Not quite as flattering as what I was hoping it was going to be. So I do think the style of it is a lot of fun. I think the balloony sleeves are fun. The cutout is nice here. I like the high neck. I like the interest here, that it kind of sucks you in here, but it's just a little bit too snug in this area for my liking. So again, the collar is very pretty. I'm just not sure that it's for me. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna grab my jeans and try on the boots. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we have the booties. These are DV by Dolce Vita. So they are very, very cute. The fit feels a little tight around the, I don't know, the toe area, where toe meets foot area. And they're sliding just slightly at the heel, but maybe a thicker sock would work a little bit better, but I do like the look of these. I like the lace up. I think that's cute. The fur around the top is also cute. However, these aren't quite what I was looking for. These would be great for those snow days when I do have to go to work. They do have a nice tread on them. The heel is not too high. It's very reasonable. And they are very warm with that fur around the top. I'm just not sure that they're exactly what I'm looking for right now. And I'm betting that I could find these on sale after Christmas for a little bit cheaper than what Stitch Fix might have them. But I will show you what they look like close up when I do the wrap up. So let me know what you guys think. I think they're really cute with jeans and are super casual, which is a lot of fun. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so let's get to the wrap up. So I apologize. I feel like I kind of went through that video and that try on kind of fast. So I didn't even get up close and personal for you guys to see any of the details in the tops. And I apologize. I don't know. It's Sunday afternoon and I always feel like I'm rushing to get everything done on Sunday afternoon before Monday morning and school and work and, you know, the whole work week starts. So I apologize. I will try to slow down a little bit and just enjoy the moment. So let's get to some prices. I know that you guys have seen the prices. I have not. So let's see. We're going to start with the ruched sleeve blouse. That's going to be this one here in teal green. This is $44. I did really like this. It is lighter weight. I feel like I could get a lot of use out of this, even moving into spring with a cardigan or with a blazer would look very pretty at work. So this one might be an option. I feel like that's a very reasonable price. Then we have the off the shoulder top, which I also liked. This was a pleasant surprise. Again, it is in a teal green. It is also $44. I don't know that I will get both of them. I may just get one just because of the style is so different, but the collar is the same. So I don't know. I gotta look back at the footage of those and see which one I think I will. Obviously I think I will get more wear out of this one just because I can wear it to work and the other one I can't. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Which green top did you think looked the best and was the most flattering? Even if I'm not wearing it with the black and white pants, if I'm just wearing it with black pants or something like that, let me know what you think. Okay, so then here are the booties. Again, the heel is not too high. You do have a tie-up closure and you have the fur trim. Very pretty collar, which this is the collar I was looking for, just not quite the right style. These are $80, and I will say I just looked online and Amazon has them for $67 and Famous Footwear has them 31% off right now, so they're like $57 or something like that. So they are $80 at Stitch Fix. So if I were to purchase those, I would not purchase them through Stitch Fix. I would look someplace else. So then we have the pants. These are $58. Reasonable price. Again, they do have that little bit of silver sliver in there, which is kind of fun. I am worried about the calf section of my leg and of the pant because it does ride up a little bit there. So I'm not sure I'm going to keep those. I think that that would drive me crazy throughout the day, and that I would just continue pulling at the calf area of my pants, which would not be great. So then we have the red top, which I'm sadly disappointed that this did not turn out quite as well as what I'd hoped it would. I do love the collar. I hope that they will continue to send me some red items. This is $44 as well. I like that this piece was unique. So again, if you buy all 5 items, you do get a 25% off discount. However, I am not going to buy all 5 items. I just did not love all of them. There were just 2 really that I loved. So I'm kind of debating on those 2 just because they are the same color. But let me know what you guys think. I love hearing from you guys. I will see you guys soon with another haul, another try on, another book review. I'm not sure what's coming next, but you will know when you see it. I will see you guys soon. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I am signing out. Happy holidays. Peace.